You ever find a gadget so useful, it makes you question how you lived without it? This list is stacked with tech that actually solves problems. No gimmicks, just gear that upgrades your life on the spot. This thing isn't just a grip. It's a magnetic beast that grabs your iPhone like it's owed money. Whether you're filming vertical, horizontal, upside down, or spinning like you're doing a Matrix reload, this Master Grip Kit gives you complete control and confidence. The magnets snap into place with that click you can feel in your bones, and it stays locked in like your phone just signed a contract. Add the finger ring and cold shoe mount into the mix, and now you've basically turned your iPhone into a pro-level vlog rig without the bulk. You're out on a hike, filming that cinematic slow-mo of your shoes crunching gravel. The last thing you want? A wobbly grip or a slippery setup. This grip? Solid, steel solid. It's made for real-world movement. Bike rides, walk and talks, quick product shots, you name it. And that cold shoe? Mount a mic or light in seconds. It's not just a grip, man. It's the difference between a meh clip and a damn that's clean reel. One roll with this thing, and you'll question every crunch you've ever done. The VINSGUIR Ab Roller is not some shaky, plasticky toy. It's a dual-wheel core destroyer with enough stability to make even your gym trainer nervous. The wide base keeps you locked in, while the grip handles let you channel every ounce of strength into that deep, slow roll. And yeah, you'll feel it. Abs, arms, shoulders, the whole deal screaming for mercy. But here's the kicker. It actually makes AB workouts fun. There's a weird satisfaction in rolling forward, knowing full well you're entering the pain zone, and then powering back with all you've got. It's smooth, it's compact, and it makes you feel like you're training for something way more epic than beach season. Toss out that dusty sit-up mat. The roller is calling, and it wants six-pack revenge. Alright, so you unfold this mat, and the first thing you notice? No curls, no weird edges fighting back. It just lays flat, ready for war. The Feetlu foldable yoga mat is a no-nonsense, high-density portable workout base built for people who actually move. It's got anti-slip texture, pro cushioning, and it folds up like a clean sandwich. No rolling, no clunky carry straps, no drama. You can take it from home gym to beachside session without breaking rhythm. It feels great on the knees, stable under pressure, and folds cleaner than your travel shirts. And let's be honest, half the battle is convenience. This one packs small, carries light, and handles everything from yoga flows to burpee madness. Built like a mat, moves like gear. Feetlu just understood the assignment. You press one button, and boom. Your protein shake is smoother than your gym playlist. The VOLTRX electric shaker isn't your average bottle. It's a rechargeable vortex beast that takes your chunky, clumpy powder game and obliterates it into silky, foamy perfection. The motor spins with satisfying power, the LED base lights up like a nightclub, and you feel like you're mixing the potion of champions. And clean up? Child's play. Add water, soap, spin again. Done. You'll actually want to make shakes now. Plus, the build is premium, BPA-free, sturdy, and surprisingly quiet for how strong it is. Whether you're sipping post-workout or mixing up greens on the go, this is one of those gadgets that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Say goodbye to shaking like a madman. Just press and vibe. This is not your dad's clunky toolbox gear. This is a compact, rechargeable, precision-driving wonder tool for the modern man. The mini electric screwdriver set comes in a slick case with magnetic bits, smooth torque control, and that sweet electric hum that just feels right when you're fixing up your drone, laptop, or that mystery screw under the couch. It's pocket-sized, but make no mistake, it's a serious upgrade. Every press is surgical. Whether you're building, repairing, or just taking things apart for fun, we see you. This kit makes the job feel like tech surgery. The LED ring light? Chef's kiss. It lights up tight spaces like a pro studio. And the battery? Charges fast, runs long. You don't need to be a tech wizard to appreciate this. You just need to own things that have screws. Total game changer for desk setups, gadgets, glasses, and beyond. You know those annoying little keyboard crumbs, PC dust, or random fuzzballs chilling inside your camera gear. This electric compressed air duster doesn't just remove them, it obliterates them like a tech exorcist. The motor hums with controlled power, and once you hit that turbo mode, it's like a mini leaf blower in your hand. Way better than those canned air sprays that run out when you need them most. Plus, it's rechargeable. So now, instead of stockpiling disposable air cans like a prepper, you just plug in, charge, and blast. And yeah, it works on your gaming rig, your dashboard, your lenses, your fan. It even scares the dust out of your sockets. If you've ever cleaned your gear with your breath or a shirt sleeve, we've all been there, this thing will feel like a divine upgrade. Clean gear, naho clean mind. This ain't some cheap flashlight you buy last minute at a gas station. The WUBEN G5 is a tactical EDC torch that could guide you through a blackout, a hike in the woods, or an emergency at 3 a.m. And it'll do it with style. That aluminum body? Sleek. The magnetic clip? Genius. And the brightness? Pure retina-melting brilliance with multiple modes that switch faster than your mood on leg day. And did we mention it's rechargeable via USB-C? That alone deserves a fist bump. This flashlight is built like a gadget you'd find in a secret agent's glove box. From checking your car engine, to walking the dog, to pretending you're in a zombie movie, this little thing does it all. Small, strong, smart. Basically the Jason Bourne of pocket lights. Say goodbye to the please free up space notifications and hello to buttery smooth speed. The Move Speed, 1TB SSD, is a portable powerhouse built for people who move fast and store heavy. It's shock-proof, heat-resistant, and small enough to lose in your own pocket. Yet it stores everything from your video projects to game backups without breaking a sweat. Transfer speed? Blazing. Plug it in, and you'll feel like your files are teleporting instead of copying. Whether you're editing 4K footage, backing up your gear mid-trip, or hoarding memes like a digital squirrel, this drive doesn't blink. And let's be honest, if you've ever watched a progress bar inch its way across the screen like a snail, this SSD is the upgrade your sanity has been begging for. This is not your regular old rubbery phone case. The Vihibii for iPhone 17 Pro Max looks like it rolled out of a futuristic mech lab. Hard shell back, precision camera protection, and buttons that actually click when you press them. It hugs the iPhone like it was custom forged just for battle, and that metallic finish? Absolute chef's kiss. It's got drop protection that laughs at concrete. You toss it onto the couch and hear that reassuring thunk. Solid, secure, no worries. No bulk, no cheap feel. Just that clean, premium grip you want every time you pull it out of your pocket. Combine style, armor, and everyday usability. And you get this, the kind of case that makes you look twice after putting it on. Forget tears, forget finger slips, and definitely forget crying over onions. The Fullstar Pro Chopper takes your meal prep game and flips it into hyperdrive. Drop in the veggie, press down like a boss, and bam! Perfect dices, slices, and julienne magic. It's oddly satisfying, ridiculously easy, and actually makes you want to chop vegetables. Yeah, you read that right. The build is strong, the blades are dangerously sharp in the best way, and the cleanup, smooth and fast. It even comes with multiple blade options, because sometimes you want thick chunks, and sometimes you want razor-thin vibes. Whether you're meal prepping for gains, tossing together a lazy stir-fry, or showing off for your date, this gadget brings the Pro Chef energy without the Pro Chef price tag. The portable small humidifier transforms dry, stale air into a soothing mist that feels like a spa moment in your personal space. Nightstand, office desk, even your car cup holder. Just plug in and let the soft mist and LED glow do their thing. No loud buzzing, no clunky setup. Just peace, moisture, and vibes. You ever wake up with a dry throat or feel like your skin's beef jerky? Not anymore. This humidifier is whisper quiet and keeps going for hours. Powered by USB and powered by pure convenience. Toss in a couple drops of essential oil and boom. You've created your own Zen bubble. It's compact comfort that travels with you. And once you use it, you'll wonder how your lungs lived without it. Let's talk tension, because your neck's been holding onto stress like it's a part-time job. The SKG cordless neck massager slides on like a sleek pair of headphones, but delivers warm, pulsing relief straight to the pressure points. This thing uses EMS tech and heat therapy to melt away that staring at a screen too long stiffness in minutes. You don't wear it, you surrender to it. Whether you're grinding at the desk, stuck in traffic, or winding down on the couch. This gadget feels like a pro masseuse just whispered, "I got you." And the battery life? Plenty. It's cordless, lightweight, and dead silent. So yeah, you can wear it mid-meeting and pretend you're just super chill today. Productivity plus relaxation, certified cheat code. You know what's worse than work? Looking inactive at work when you're deep in thought or off refilling your coffee. The Meatanty mouse Jiggler says no more. This tiny stealthy device keeps your mouse moving ever so slightly, so you stay active and undisturbed. No software, no fuss, just plug it in and boom, welcome to invisibility mode. And get this, it's made of metal, not plastic, metal. It's sturdy, discreet, and built for the long haul. No one's catching you slacking, whether you're on a quick break or sneaking a nap in your work from home cave. Sometimes, the best gadgets don't scream for attention. They just silently do the job better than anything else. This is mouse movement wizardry. All right, let's get something straight. Crumbs in the car are a silent disgrace. The AUXITO car vacuum shows up with 14,000 PA of suction power like it's got a personal grudge against dirt. From floor mats to cup holders to that black hole between your seats, this bad boy reaches everywhere and cleans like it means it. Cordless, compact, and stronger than you'd expect from something this size. The attachments? Perfect. The noise? Low. The result? Satisfying as heck. It doesn't just make your car look clean, it makes it feel brand new. Plus, the battery actually lasts, and the dustbin is easy to empty without triggering a sneeze apocalypse. If you eat in your car, whole gear, or have a dog that thinks shedding is a sport, this vacuum's not optional, it's mandatory. Say hello to the ultimate fidget gadget that actually does something useful. The Diodario Varigrip is a legit hand and finger strengthener that looks simple, but burns like a hidden gym workout. Each finger pad has adjustable tension, so whether you're a gamer, guitarist, or someone just looking to outgrip their stress ball, this one's got your back and fingers. You'll feel the tension build after just a few squeezes. And before you know it, you're flexing like your hands joined a CrossFit class. It's small enough to live on your desk, in your car, or travel bag, and makes downtime productive without a single dumbbell in sight. Don't be surprised if your handshake gets more compliments. This thing's building real strength in the shadows. Thanks for watching, legends! If you enjoyed this one, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. We've got plenty more epic tech coming your way. See you in the next one.